Welcome to a thrilling journey of financial growth and innovation. I'm Dr. Samuel Adebayo, your guide and narrator for today's video. Today, we embark on an enlightening adventure, exploring how to turn a mere $100 into a whopping $10,000 with ChatGPT Trading. We'll be unveiling the secrets and strategies that can potentially transform your financial landscape. Stick with us as we delve into the exciting world of ChatGPT Trading. Before we get started, it's important to understand what ChatGPT Trading is. ChatGPT Trading is an innovative approach to financial trading that employs advanced artificial intelligence (AI) technology. It's a blend of OpenAI's language model, GPT-3, and cutting-edge trading algorithms. Now you might be wondering, what's the role of a language model in trading? Well, it's quite fascinating. Imagine having a digital assistant that can analyze financial news, market data, and social media sentiment in real time. This assistant can then synthesize this information to predict market trends and make trading decisions. That's ChatGPT Trading for you. The chat in ChatGPT refers to the conversational nature of the AI. You can interact with it, ask it questions, and even seek advice on trading strategies. The GPT stands for Generative Pre-training Transformer, which is the AI model that powers this system. It's a model that's been trained on a diverse range of internet text, and it's this training that enables it to understand context, make connections, and generate human-like text. Now, what does this mean for you as a trader? It means that you have a powerful tool at your disposal that can help you navigate the often turbulent waters of financial trading. It can provide you with insights, predictions, and strategies that are based on a wide array of data, giving you a competitive edge in the market. Now that you know what ChatGPT Trading is, let's move on to how you can use it to turn $100 into $10,000. Starting with ChatGPT Trading is quite simple. Here's how you begin. First, you'll need to set up your trading account. This process is straightforward, and all you need is a valid email address and a secure password. Remember, the security of your account is paramount, so choose a password that's both strong and memorable. Once you have your account set up, it's time to fund it. You can start with as little as $100. This is the beauty of ChatGPT Trading. It's accessible for everyone, regardless of your financial standing. You can transfer funds into your account through various methods, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, or even cryptocurrency wallets. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. Now that your account is funded, it's time to familiarize yourself with the trading interface. ChatGPT Trading's interface is user-friendly and intuitive, even for those who are new to the world of trading. Spend some time exploring the different features and tools available at your disposal. These include market indicators, trading signals, and risk management tools, all powered by ChatGPT's advanced artificial intelligence. Next, you'll want to set up your trading parameters. This includes your risk level, investment amount, and other important settings. Remember, these parameters should reflect your trading goals and risk tolerance. It's always a good idea to start small and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable with the system. Finally, it's time to make your first trade. With ChatGPT Trading, you can choose to trade manually or use the automated trading feature. If you're a beginner, the automated trading feature is a great way to get started. It allows you to learn the ropes while minimizing risk. But remember, no matter how advanced the technology, trading always comes with risks, so always trade responsibly. Congratulations, you've taken the first step towards financial growth. Now, let's explore some strategies that could help you multiply your investment. Success in ChatGPT Trading requires strategy and understanding of the market. Here are some strategies to consider. A journey into the world of financial trading can be thrilling, but without an effective strategy, it can feel like navigating through a maze blindfolded. When it comes to ChatGPT Trading, the right approach can significantly increase your chances of turning a small investment into a substantial return. Firstly, understanding the market is crucial. Keep in mind that the world of trading is a dynamic one, with prices influenced by a myriad of factors, including economic data, geopolitical events, and even social media trends. It's important to stay informed and adapt your trading strategy accordingly. Next, let's delve into when to buy and sell. A common mantra in trading is buy low, sell high. However, it's not always as straightforward as it seems. Timing is of the essence, and this is where ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool. By utilizing artificial intelligence, ChatGPT can analyze vast amounts of data and trends, aiding in the decision-making process. However, while ChatGPT can provide valuable insights, remember that it's not a crystal ball. It's essential to use this tool as a guide rather than a definitive answer. The final decision always lies with you, the trader. Now let's talk about risk management. This is a critical part of any trading strategy. As the saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different assets can help mitigate potential losses. Moreover, always trade with money you can afford to lose. This might seem like a pessimistic view, but in trading, it's a realistic one. The market can be unpredictable, and losses are part of the game. By only using money you're comfortable losing, you can protect yourself from financial ruin. Another crucial aspect of risk management is setting stop losses and take profit points. A stop loss is a predetermined level at which you'll sell your asset to minimize losses if the market doesn't go in your favor. On the other hand, a take profit point is a predetermined level at which you'll sell your asset to secure your profits. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of patience and consistency. Success in trading doesn't come overnight. It requires time, dedication, and a lot of learning. Stick to your strategy, be patient, and don't let emotions dictate your decisions. Emotional trading often leads to rash decisions and potential losses. In conclusion, successful ChatGPT trading involves a clear understanding of the market, an effective buying and selling strategy, robust risk management, and above all, patience and consistency. Remember, the key to success in ChatGPT trading is patience, consistency, and strategic planning. While the potential for growth is immense, it's important to be aware of the risks involved in ChatGPT trading. Just as in any form of trading, ChatGPT trading isn't without its hazards. One of the most pertinent is market volatility. The value of your investments can fluctuate wildly, and while this can lead to significant gains, it can also result in substantial losses. Therefore, it's crucial to only invest money you can afford to lose. Another risk is that of cybersecurity threats. As with all online platforms, there's the risk of hacking attempts, potentially leading to the loss of your investments. It's therefore paramount to employ robust security measures. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. There's also the risk of regulatory changes. As the world of cryptocurrency is still relatively new, laws and regulations can change quickly and dramatically, potentially impacting the value of your investments. Lastly, remember that ChatGPT trading, like all forms of trading, requires a significant time investment to truly understand and succeed. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term investment strategy that requires patience and diligence. To mitigate these risks, it's essential to do your research, stay informed about market trends and changes, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With these precautions in mind, you're well on your way to making the most of ChatGPT trading. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to turn $100 into $10,000 with ChatGPT trading. We've journeyed from understanding what ChatGPT trading is, to setting up your account, and finally, exploring some of the most successful strategies. We've seen how this innovative trading approach uses the power of artificial intelligence to predict market trends and make informed trading decisions. The potential of ChatGPT trading is vast, and the success stories are numerous. But remember, while the rewards can be substantial, it's also essential to be mindful of the risks involved. In this digital age, ChatGPT trading is an opportunity to leverage technology and potentially transform your financial future. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, the potential to multiply your investment is within reach. Dr. Samuel Adebayo, our esteemed presenter and narrator, has shared his insights and expertise to make this journey as smooth as possible for you. We hope that this guide has been enlightening and that it has equipped you with the knowledge and confidence to take your first steps into the world of ChatGPT trading. Before we wrap up, we want to remind you that learning is an ongoing process. Stay tuned for more content where we delve deeper into the world of financial technology and trading strategies. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's grow together with ChatGPT.